Enable Education collaborated with Girls Inc. of Halton to create meaningful learning experiences that will enhance our ability to provide training to our staff and volunteers. Being a small organization, onboarding of new staff has always been a challenge for us. The videos that have been created will improve our efficiency and free up staff to provide more one-on-one facilitation training. Prior to filming, the Enable team dedicated their time to meet with us and helped us lay out our training plan. They informed us of best practices to ensure the videos were engaging and effective for our audience. Karina and the Enable team were amazing coaches and cheerleaders, giving us tips to make our training as high impact as possible, making us feel comfortable in front of the camera. They were prepared and ready for us the moment we arrived, which made for a simple and easy filming process. We are so thankful to Enable Education for their support on this project and would recommend their services for anyone who is interested in creating an online learning platform.